Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh and I'm so excited about OCGN, man, how they played out, what are the resistance level we talked about in previous video, and some very important news just came out for our future trading days and future months, the long term for the company. So stay tuned to the entire video. There's some very key information that I definitely don't want you guys to miss it out. So we opened up today at $7.34, and we talked in my previous video that we need to break out this resistance level sitting at $7.38. We opened up at $7.34. We went up high at $7.40. We got rejected. Came all the way to $7.11. Pushed high on, broke out our moving averages, 200-day moving average, the WAP line, $7.58. We came back, broke down this resistance level, and we were trying to break out this resistance level throughout the day. And an hour, 2 hours ago, we just broke it out. We broke out, we came back, tested again. Our moving average, pink line moving average, was lining on the resistance. That's the 200-day moving average. And we went high of $7.65, and we came down right now, testing our 60-day at $7.52. I really want to see if we close up at $7.52 to the day. Even higher would be better. But I'm going to talk about later on the video some very key important technical analysis and the support and resistance, where we're heading, and some news coming up. Hey folks, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. It helps a lot so I can send constant updates on OCGN. And I'm here with you guys for the long term, folks. Let's talk about the news, right? So the news that came out today, was actually yesterday, my apologies, the options, right, trading of OCGN, right? It's going, people are buying on July call of $30, right? Something is brewing up, folks. Something is brewing up. People, investors are long term. This is not a small options. You're looking into thousands to millions of options on this getting traded. So something we need to keep an eye till July-16, how the market is going to react with these options coming up, right? Just quickly wanted to share with you guys on that one. And also for July, yes, folks, the hot Biotech penny stock, it's not penny anymore for you for July to watch, right? This came out on the market watch that OCGN is the number 4 that needs to keep an eye. Also Dogecoin, Bitcoin, something to keep an eye. It's a buying opportunity right now. That this is when we are at the buying zone, and the news are coming up that this is a stock you need to keep an eye in order to buy for the long term, right? So I just don't want you guys to, got beaten up to see when we saw the price came all the way to $6. And I was reminding you guys, that was the loading zone, right? So OCGN, quick update, right? We know that it's more emergency use authorizing in 13 countries, folks, 13. But they are focusing gaining position in US and Canada. We're just waiting for the FDA approval. Earlier this week, critical detail of article highlighted Covaxin progress 3, right? According to the source, obviously the source may not be liable to the company confirms, but needless, the company has optimistic to outlook advancing the treatment. So that's something we'll look at it. We also know that they have a manufacturing company named Julian Hollister partner for preparing this vaccine, right? The critical steps, we are aware to submit our regulatory submission to FDA in Health Canada. So that this is from JP Grable, the senior vice president of OCGN, right? So that's we need to keep an eye on, right? Where we at with the shorts? Let's talk about it. OCGN's partners Biotech shows 77.8% on clinical late trials, right? We need to keep an eye. We definitely need to keep an eye on each stages, how they're progressing, right? That's something. The closer we get, you'll see a lot of movement on the stock, because they are not only doing Canada and US. They want it. There are 13 countries, folks. There's hundreds of countries right now that don't even have vaccine yet, right? This is a game changer for OCGN right now, right? Also, let's talk about, before I talk about another article, let's talk about how we are doing. What are we looking at, right? We talked on the previous video. This 200-day moving eye is going to act as another support. And then because I really didn't want it to draw back to $6.08, but we will draw it back at $6 because it is acting also as a huge support right now. We're going to change it to a red because we don't want to definitely see them dropping below it, right? So $6 is a support, and folks, we are right there. We are trading above our resistance level right now at $7.34. Right now it's $7.54. If we close today, I'm going to mark it as our support. Then moving forward, we're going to keep an eye at $8.08, right? Or $8.71 as our next resistance. Key areas, our MACD, it is getting, the buying pressure is getting low and low. It's about to turn green. RSI is in the perfect stage of another bull run, testing of highs of $9 to $11. We are right there, folks. We are right there testing those levels, right? I'm going to go back quickly to check our 1 month, right? Just to have a gauge. Yes, we are finally we were trading in the channel. We are failing to break out. We broke out, folks. We are trading. The pink line right now is the 200-day moving average. It's $7.26. The yellow line, you'll see, that is $7.07, right? So we are trading below. That's a phenomenal and outstanding job by the buyers stepped in. And it's a great news for us because we are trading above those lines, and it is going to act as a support down because we had a huge sell-off. We came from all the way $9 and we were trading our moving average. And I did mention to folks that once we broke out on this level, you'll see higher highs. Right now, we are solely creating some sort of higher highs and higher lows right now. Also to keep in my mind, right? My job is also to give you some positive and negative, right? The negative that I've seen is I mentioned in the previous video also that I'm going to go step by step on this article also coming on about the lawsuit is going on against the breach violation and the security. They're saying the news that came out is not legit. The company is just driving all these rumors. I don't see it happening but my job is to also share some positive and the negative at the same time so you guys are also aware of it, right? So we'll see how these things plays out. We're definitely going to see if the lawsuit, if they really, SEC is definitely going to look at it, if they violated any breach of federal duty. We'll see on that. We're definitely going to see on that how it plays out. It's not going to be solved overnight or in a couple of months. It's going to take years to solve it out. So we'll see on that, right? So let's talk about how we going to be trading next week, closing of this Friday and stuff, right? And based on my prediction, I am seeing it will be coming close to $8.71, and we might have a pullback, right? Again at about $8, and then creating higher highs. We need that, but right now we are on an uptrend. Right now it is moving a little bit sideways, so we might not get a little bit of pullback, but we'll have a constant pullback. Like once we had this, like it gapped up so high that we had to have this pullback in order to create high highs, right? So the key levels moving forward, I need to keep an eye definitely a $6.04 and then all the way to $5.32, right? I don't see it coming back again at $5.32, but you never know how market reacts. But I can definitely see $8.71 to $9.97 will be trading around next week, right? This is all the great news is coming for GCN. We're finally up. Those things are getting priced in. All the good news were coming in, and we're not really getting priced in. And also FDA approval is huge. Once we had any information, how the progress ongoing or what are the information the FDA requirement is still, then we will see how it is going to progress, right? Some news that came out about Moderna and Pfizer's treatment, they're having some side effects. I'm not sure how true is on that, but we'll see on that, right? We're definitely going to have to monitor that. And then based on their research, it definitely looks in the right track. Like I said, MACD, we need to keep an eye. Looks solid, phenomenal, And every time we came to this low, because the sellers are over, all the sellers are is dying down. So now once we had in previous, when we had something like that, the MACD was slightly slowed up, we had a huge spike up all the way to $16, right? I'm definitely can see this stock end of this year somewhere around $25 to $30. Yes, folks, I can see this stock to be around the end of this year between $25 to $30. I'm not a final advisor, just based on my opinion and all my research, right? Right now we're still trading at $7.59. Great, I'm very excited about it. We're trading higher on that, we're making higher highs. We just have to stay focused and have a plan while trading on it. Folks, that's all I have for today. That's all I have for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. It helps the channel a lot. And as always, thank you for supporting. I love it and appreciate the comments down below. Have a good day.